This is Saturday. Dad's gonna do it. I gotta find him up there. Where is my love? There he is. He's gonna do it, David Lee tells me. Mom, he's gonna do it. There he is. He said he's done one here, a triple X. Okay, he's gonna do it. Here we go. David Lee's right there. Off to the far right. And my love of my life is going to do it. Oh my gosh. I gotta get set up for this. He's holding it for the young man before him. Oh my God. Come on, love. Here he comes. Oh my gosh, David, please. Lord, don't let him get hurt. Here he comes, the love of my life. 62 years old. There he goes. He did one flip. He says he's done 3. Woo! That young man, no, missed the other guy. Missed the younger guy up way up higher. He did a 2 flip, 2 dip. All right, he did it.